How's it going, guys? Today we got another unboxing. So we're gonna go over these Margiela Salomon CROSS-MIDs. We got a couple different colors in these. The first color we got here is gonna be Bitter Chocolate, Lunar Rock, and Crystal Blue. Some cool things here. You got the little MM6 logo on the lateral side there. And then on the bottom, close to the lugs, same deal. You got the 6 with the Kana grip there. Got some real chunky lugs on these guys, so gonna be good for like technical or muddy terrain. And then on the medial side, Margiela 6 here. Also got this big gator type deal, so if you are using them for trail running or hiking, it's gonna keep rocks and mud and dust and that kind of stuff out. So, cool. Alrighty, so for the next color, we got Bering Sea, English Rose, and Magnets. Same deal, another Salomon CROSS-MID collab with Margiela. Same details, you got that 6, this nice navy upper, a little bit of like bubblegum pink here on this lining, and then kind of a slate gray on the outside there. Same deal as the other pair, so get that Margiela hit, and then super chunky lugs. Moving on to the next pair, so we got some ACS Pros. Another collab with Margiela in Metal Ghost Gray Metal. Now, these guys to me, a little more versatile if you're using them, you know, in cities, sidewalks, stuff like that. Main reason being, lugs aren't as chunky, but you can certainly still use them on the trail. You get a little bit of lug here, but it's not as aggressive as those CROSS-MIDs. And then same deal, Salomon with their Conta grip there. On these guys, you get some Margiela hits here on the medial side. And yeah. And then for the next color, same deal, ACS Pro. You have Heather Blue, Bonnets, and Blueprint. And then something I didn't mention on the last pair, so you get Margiela here on the tongue, and then on the back here, on these tabs, you get Salomon, Margiela, but same deal, Margiela 6. Not super chunky with the lugs, but again, a little better, I think, if you're using them in the city. So, cool. But yeah, if you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions about the release, let us know. They're gonna drop October 12th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. Cool.